Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is cells or batteries. This topic is from electrochemistry. Now we are undergoing to understand about primary cells. The primary cells are two cells, that is one is the dry cell and second one is the mercury cell. These two cells are primary cells. Now what is cell or what is battery? Any cell or battery that we employ as a source of electrical energy is basically as an electrochemical cell. The term battery is used to represent the arrangement of two or more galvanic cells connected in series, that is, cell or battery. The galvanic cells can be broadly classified into two categories, namely primary cells and secondary cells. Now we are understand about primary cells. In primary cells, this type of cells becomes dead over a period of time and the chemical reactions stop. They cannot be recharged or used again. So these cells are called it as primary cells. The primary cells are becomes dead over a period of time and the chemical reaction will be stops. So in they cannot be recharged and used again. Some common examples are dry cell and mercury cells of primary cells. In dry cell, see here, a container, zinc container, which may also act as a anode. The zinc container acts as an anode, and in this anode is a zinc container. The cathode, the graphite rod surrounded by the powdered MnO2 carbon. In this cell, the electrolyte is the space between the electrodes is filled with moist paste of NH4Cl and ZnCl2, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. In working, at the anode, oxidation will be takes place and cathode reduction will be takes place. In anode, the oxidation reaction is the zinc solid changes to zinc ions. So it loses 2 electrons, it produces zinc to Zn plus 2. In cathode, at cathode, the reduction will be takes place. So MnO2, the graphite rod surrounded by the powdered MnO2 carbon. So at cathode, MnO2 it adds 2 electrons, gains 2 electrons, it produces Mn2O3 and O2 minus. In ammonium plus O minus 2, it changes to 2NH3 plus water. So the net reaction is 2MnO2 plus 2NH4 plus 2 electrons gives rise Mn2O3 and 2NH3 and H2. The oxidation number of Mn changes Mn plus 4. MnO2 will be changes plus 3 to Mn2O3. So these are dry cell. And the overall net reaction is Zn solid plus 2NH4 plus and 2MnO2 gives rise ZnNH3 twice Cl2 and Mn2O3 plus H2. The excess of NH3 escapes through the fine hole at the top and H plus diffuses through the porous muslin bag. These are dry cell. And next one is mercury cell. In mercury cell, see here, in mercury cell, the anode is zinc mercury amalgam. And cathode is a paste of HgO and mercury oxide and carbon. These are cathode. And mercury amalgam is a zinc mercury amalgam is anode. In this, this is a caster steel case and steel outer top, thin plated inner top and sealing and insulating gasket and zinc is an anode. In this, KOH is saturated with ZnO in absorbent material, that is electrolyte. and HgO mixed with graphite cathode and inner steel casing, and it is a barrier and it is a gas vent. The reducing agent is zinc and the oxidizing agent is mercury 2 oxide. The working of mercury cell. The electrode reactions for the cell are given below. See here, at anode the working is Zn amalgam, zinc amalgam plus 2OH minus gives rise ZnO plus H2O plus 2 electrons. At cathode, HgO plus H2O plus 2 electrons gives rise mercury in the form of liquid form plus 2OH minus. Or the net reaction, that means overall reaction, is ZnHg plus HgO gives rise ZnO solid and Hg liquid. These are mercury cell and these are belongs to primary cells. Please subscribe and share.